All right, they might write plans, but they do it with people, and they do it with teams, and they're out in the community, and they're seen and heard. And we've got to get away from that. People don't know who I am or what I do, and I don't have a voice. You have a voice. You just got to make sure it's heard. Oh, I'll tell you what, don't think that just because you have a degree in emergency management that you know what true emergency management is. Really dive into, understand, keep that open mind to when you go into a new job or a new situation or a new training scenario, that you have more to learn. Just like with fire and with EMS and with the police, law enforcement, they send you through the training, and then when you go into real life, they say, forget everything you learned. I'm going to show you how you do it at the real job. Having a degree is great. Experience is something different. That's where theory comes into practice, and it's a different way of thinking. You can apply your learning and the things you learn that most people may not have into actually being a great practitioner. So learn that it's not one or the other beats one or the other. It's learning how to apply them both, and truly bridging that gap from academia to practicing and getting that true in the field experience. And it comes at every level. Don't think you have to be volunteering for every disaster. Start slow and build your knowledge, your expertise, and your ability to be a great emergency manager. Take advantage of what's available to you as well. Really learn what's available to you out there. Learn what is available to you there at your school, the college that you currently reside, but also what's out there with FEMA, with the state, with your local EM, and other emergency services training that you could take, and other organizations like Theory into Practice, where we have programs that you can go to and get training and get coaching and get mentorships. IAEM is a great association if you don't belong to it. IAEM is a great association to really learn how to be a great emergency manager, meet other great emergency managers, get certified, get training, go to conferences, expand your network. Your state association, you should really be a part of your state association wherever you may be. You can do the same things there. You might be able to get certified there through the state, network from those that are practicing in your state, make those connections and those partnerships that you may need when everything goes bad. And if you know those people that you can reach out to because you need their help, or in the midst, you might say someone, also just shared resources, right? You don't want to reinvent the wheel in emergency management. So making those connections, I might be able to call, so I know I can't do something, I can call Jesse up and say, hey Jesse, I need this thing, can you help me? Jesse's going to help. Emergency management is one of the most collaborative professions in the world. And I'd say the majority, not all, the majority of emergency managers practicing emergency management are over the moon excited to help other emergency managers. Take advantage of that. Awesome.